to my show. Today I'm going to cook penne in arrabbiata, which is a world favorite Italian dish. So let's have a look at our ingredients. Firstly, we need to blanch the tomatoes, and for this I take some water and boil it, and while this is boiling, let's get on with our tomatoes. On the tomatoes, I make a criss-cross slit. I put my tomatoes in the boiling water and I add a pinch of salt. We let this simmer until the skin starts peeling off. The skin on my tomatoes has started to peel. I'm going to take them off and put them into cold water. Now I'm going to peel the skin. Now I'm going to cut it. I'm going to cut it very roughly. Put my tomatoes in a mixie and puree them. And there, my tomato puree for the sauce is ready. To cook the pasta, I boil water in a pan. To this, I add a generous amount of salt. Also add olive oil. Once the water starts to boil, I add the penne. Let it cook as per the instruction on the packet. Here I am going to cook it for 8 minutes and make sure that it doesn't overcook. It has to be al dente. Let's have a look at our pasta. It looks cooked. Let's check. For our arrabbiata sauce, I'm going to take a pan, and once it's a little hot, I'm going to add a little bit of olive oil. I'm going to salt my garlic and make sure that it doesn't turn brown. Once my garlic is cooked, I add in my red chili flakes. Then I add in my oregano, red chili powder with garlic powder. To this, I add my tomato puree. And let this simmer for some time. To this, I add a pinch of salt and a pinch of pepper. And now I'm going to add in my mozzarella cheese. And I'm going to let this simmer until all the cheese has incorporated. You can see that the cheese has started to melt. And now I'm going to add my cooked pasta. Make sure that it's coated evenly. You don't want your sauce to be very watery and loose, so take care of the consistency. I'm going to add a little more cheese, and our penne in arrabbiata is ready. Let's serve this.